Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer is a powerful and versatile tool for effortless mixing. With 6-speed settings, it provides the perfect control for blending, whisking, and whipping tasks. Its 250-watt motor easily handles everything from light batters to thick doughs. The Quick Burst button offers an extra boost of power when needed. The lightweight design and comfortable handle ensure easy maneuvering during extended use. It comes with durable beaters and whisk attachments, perfect for a variety of recipes. A snap-on storage case keeps attachments organized and prevents clutter. The eject button allows for quick and mess-free removal of beaters. Compact and easy to store, it fits neatly in any kitchen space. Simplify your baking and cooking with the reliable Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. Hamilton Beach Electric Egg Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Electric Egg Cooker is the ultimate tool for perfectly cooked eggs. With its compact design, it boils up to 7 eggs or poaches 3 eggs simultaneously, saving time and effort. Its simple one-touch operation ensures consistent results every time. The built-in timer with an audible alert prevents overcooking, making it hassle-free. The included measuring cup helps achieve the desired egg texture from soft to hard-boiled. Easy to clean, its non-stick poaching tray and dishwasher-safe parts add convenience. Compact enough to store in small spaces, it's perfect for any kitchen. Ideal for breakfast, snacks, or meal prepping, it's a time-saving solution for busy mornings. Stylish and efficient, it complements any countertop. Enjoy versatility and reliability with this handy kitchen gadget. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor is a compact powerhouse for your kitchen. With a 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for small tasks like dicing vegetables, mincing herbs, and pureeing sauces. Powered by a robust 350-watt motor, it quickly handles a variety of ingredients with ease. The stainless steel blades deliver consistent and precise results every time. Its one-touch pulse control ensures easy operation and lets you achieve the perfect texture. The bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and ideal for small kitchens. The sturdy base ensures stability during operation. Perfect for quick meal prep or creating homemade dips, it's a versatile tool for any home cook. Simplify your cooking with the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker is the ultimate tool for quick and delicious homemade breakfasts. In just 5 minutes, it assembles a hot, customizable sandwich with your favorite ingredients. Designed with non-stick plates, it allows for easy cooking and effortless cleanup. The compact design fits neatly on any countertop, making it perfect for busy kitchens, dorms, or small spaces. Its innovative design cooks all layers, bread, eggs, cheese, and meats simultaneously, ensuring a perfectly balanced sandwich every time. A built-in timer with an audible beep eliminates guesswork for foolproof results. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, saving time and effort. Ideal for English muffins, bagels, or small rolls, it offers endless breakfast possibilities. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to store or take on the go. Simplify your mornings with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Gramercy Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer. The Gramercy Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer is a must-have kitchen tool for fast and precise slicing. Featuring an adjustable blade, it allows you to create perfect slices in various thicknesses, from paper-thin to thick cuts. Made with durable stainless steel, it's built to handle fruits, vegetables, and more with ease. The non-slip base and ergonomic handle ensure safe and stable operation during use. A built-in handguard protects your fingers while slicing, offering added safety. Compact and easy to store, It's perfect for any kitchen size. The slicer is easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making maintenance hassle-free. Ideal for salads, chips, or meal prep, it delivers professional quality results. Its sharp blade and versatile design save time and effort in the kitchen. Upgrade your food preparation with the Gramercy Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer. Hamilton Beach Electric Hard-Boiled Egg Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Electric Hard-Boiled Egg Cooker is a versatile 3-in-1 appliance for perfectly cooked eggs every time. This compact device can hard-boil, poach, or make fluffy omelets with ease. It cooks up to 7 eggs at once, making it ideal for families or meal prepping. The built-in measuring cup ensures precise water levels for consistent results. A ready buzzer alerts you when cooking is done, taking the guesswork out of preparation. The non-stick poaching tray and omelet bowl are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Its compact design saves counter space and is perfect for small kitchens. The device is easy to operate, making it great for busy mornings or quick snacks. With its modern design and reliable performance, this egg cooker simplifies breakfast. Enjoy eggs your way with the Hamilton Beach Electric Hard-Boiled Egg Cooker. Godboat Dish Drying Rack. The Godboat Dish Drying Rack offers a sleek and practical solution for your kitchen. Designed with a compact yet spacious 2-tier system, it provides ample room to organize dishes, bowls, and utensils. Made of durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance. The rack features a detachable water tray that collects drips, keeping your countertops clean and dry. Non-slip feet provide stability, preventing movement during use. Easy to assemble and disassemble, it's perfect for everyday use or small kitchens. Its modern design complements any decor, adding style to functionality. The included utensil holder and cup hooks maximize storage. Lightweight and easy to clean, it's a practical addition to your home. Streamline your dishwashing process with the Godboat Dish Drying Rack. Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is the ultimate kitchen tool for effortless meal prep. This all-in-one chopper includes interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, dicing, and spiralizing vegetables with ease. The compact, BPA-free design ensures safe and efficient use, while the non-slip base provides stability during operation. It's perfect for onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and more, saving time and reducing mess. The clear storage container catches chopped ingredients, keeping your countertop tidy. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it simplifies post-cooking cleanup. Whether you're making salads, stir-fries, or zoodles, this versatile chopper has you covered. Lightweight and durable, it's a must-have for busy kitchens. Elevate your cooking game with the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. GiveBest Portable Electric Space Heater. The GiveBest Portable Electric Space Heater provides efficient and cozy warmth for any small space. Equipped with 2 heat settings, 1500 watts and 750 watts, and a fan-only mode, it's perfect for year-round use. The ceramic heating technology ensures quick and even heat distribution, warming up your room in seconds. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry between rooms or take on trips. The adjustable thermostat allows you to maintain your desired comfort level effortlessly. Built-in safety features, including tip-over protection and overheat shutoff, provide peace of mind during use. Its quiet operation ensures minimal disruption, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. The sleek design blends seamlessly into any core. Energy efficient, it helps reduce heating costs while keeping you warm. Stay comfortable with the reliable and portable GiveBest electric space heater. Guidel Rotary Cheese Grater. The Guidel Rotary Cheese Grater is a high-quality manual kitchen tool designed for effortless grating. Featuring a durable stainless steel drum, it efficiently grates cheese, vegetables, and nuts with ease. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring smooth, continuous use. The innovative rotary design helps speed up the grating process, making it ideal for preparing ingredients quickly. The grater comes with two interchangeable drums, one for fine grating and another for coarser textures, offering versatility for different recipes. The compact, lightweight construction makes it easy to store and handle. The non-slip base ensures stability during use, reducing the risk of accidents. The Guidel grater is easy to clean, with most parts being dishwasher safe. Perfect for home cooks and professionals alike, it saves time while delivering consistent, finely grated ingredients. Upgrade your kitchen tools with the Guidel Rotary Cheese Grater for fast, efficient food preparation.